Welcome back to the Chef Anthony Test Kitchen. We're here with Chef Anthony Fischer from Pittsburgh High School Culinary Arts Program, and we are going to be doing some Halloween decorating, cake decorating.
Yes. So what we have is I had my students make up these little Franken cakes. You can pick up these nice little foil pans. I think we got 5 for a couple bucks. So they're wonderful because if you're having a party or something going on, you can make these up and then you can decorate them up and have your friends. And here I have a couple
These
different...
are perfect for like bacon takes.
Exactly.
You know, or like little personal gifts type things.
Exactly.
Nice size.
Just throw a little lid on top. And I have our icing from earlier and a few other, I have some sprinkles, I have our decorating tips, and this particular kit was only about $35, but as you can see, there's so much in there. A lot of options. So anything that you wanted to do, you could do with this. And with the ease of YouTube videos out there in the world, yeah, you're ready to go. So what I have is, I figured we would start with, how about a mummy?
Oh, I like it.
So let's just...
And this is just a chocolate cake, I guess?
This is just a chocolate cake. And we'll put some...
Guess I'm not talking. You're just putting the wraps on it right now,
yes.
basically.
I'm just giving him a little wrap.
I suppose you could just use plain white, but you added color to it to make
it
blue.
Yes,
we got a blue mummy today.
A little bit of character to it, and I'm going to put 2 little dots. And then I'm going to put little googly eye.
Oh, okay, so you've got candy googly eyes here.
I got candy googly eyes.
Aww.
And this is great to do with the kids, and it's so much fun. It doesn't take much to do it, but you get a cute little mummy. And you can do anything that you want. Depending upon which tips that you use, you can decorate them up for the holiday.
So what are we doing with this one?
Oh, we'll just do a traditional...
So this one, what type of a tip are you using for this particular
This is just
one?
a large star tip.
A large star. Giving it a nice little star twisting background. Do you have a technical term for that?
It's just a rope.
A rope, okay.
My kids think I'm kidding. When I learned to do this, I was told, oh, you're going to learn how to throw a rope. And I'm like, I'm going to throw a rope. I've thrown ropes forever. But no, and this is what they were meaning when they were telling me this is what I was learning.
Throwing a rope, okay.
And it's a great little technique, and then you can, even if you wanted to, you can change out your tip. They unscrew really nicely in these nice bags that I have in tips. You can change them. Let's do something like this guy.
Okay, so this one is...
This is just another type of a star tip.
It's more an open star.
Yes,
so
it's open.
Really big one.
And...
What are we doing now?
So you can change whatever you want.
Oh, different type of rope.
Yeah, or you can do dots. Because I'm sure everybody remembers the old Wilton pans that were like Superman and Mickey Mouse and all of those from when you were a kid. There's still some out there. I've seen some in Paw Patrol. But these were the type of tips. There was actually a tip that you would use to make the hair. Okay. Or they would use a really small star tip and do small stars all the way across it.
And you could just do dots all the way across, like color by dot.
Exactly, and you can change it. I'm just kind of showing you the different things that you can do with it. But one of the benefits of this is getting the kids involved. Because you can have your kids sit here and do this. This isn't really hard to do. And then you can get them an array of sprinkles.
Purple. Because purple and orange are great for Halloween.
And just kind of sprinkle in a little bit of color to them. And I always tell people, use the big sprinkles. And see, I mean, it's not a whole lot, but it's just something kind of cute and fun for the kids to do and fun for you to do. And the icing's really easy to make, so you can make as much as you want, as many colors as you want. And if you have a decent collection of tips, then you're ready to go.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go to break. When we come back, do you want to decorate one more?
Yeah,
or?
we'll decorate one more.
Okay, so we will leave you in suspense as to what we're going to make when we come back.